Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to mention the general availability of the October 2018 update through Windows Update. So if you're on Windows 10, you're on the April 2018 update. Microsoft says that the update is deemed to be safe to get. So what you need to do is simply add on to your Windows updates. You simply go to your settings, and your settings go to Update and Security. And in there, just click Check for Updates. There is a few cases where you might not see this appear. So if you click Check for Updates and it doesn't show up, you might be one of those that is actually still being blocked for a reason. So if you've got incompatible Intel display drivers, if you use F5 VPN client, Trend Micro Office Scan and Worry-Free Business Security software, or if you have a Radeon HD2000, HD4000 GPU, these are blocked. They have issues right now. You're not going to see it. You might not see it also even if you don't have anything of that, if there's some other little glitch or thing that they think is not right. So basically, it's available. If you go through Windows Update, you should see it. But if you don't force it. It means there's a little something that's still not right, and they don't want to push it to you. So, just be careful. Don't push it. Wait for it. There's nothing in here that's, worth risking by pushing an update or anything. Wait for it to arrive. It's the best thing that you can do. But if you want to seek it, well, just head on to your Windows updates. Check for updates, and you should see October 2018 update or feature update appear on Windows 10 if you're on the April 2018 update. So starting from now, the push to Windows Update will probably be much faster. The adoption rate will actually increase at a faster pace. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.